Oh, the glamorous, oh, the glossy, glossy. Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamasita. So glad you could join me here today. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. This is an unboxing channel primarily, but we do a lot of try-on hauls and fashion hauls and that kind of thing as well. If there's something that you would like to see me do, let me know down in the comment section down below and I will do my best to create that content for you. Today you are here for a beauty box unboxing and I am going to give you that Glossybox unboxing experience. Are you guys ready? Have you heard of Glossybox but you aren't quite sure if it's for you? I am about to open this box for you and let you all know what's inside, how much it is, and is it worth it? I will give you my opinion. You guys can let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. So Glossybox is a beauty box. It includes items anywhere from makeup items to skincare items, hair care, anything beauty related could be found inside this box. This is actually the May box we are going to unbox for you here today. It typically comes in this black box, just like this, every month. And usually it comes in a classic pink box like this with the lift-off lid. This month is orange. On the top it says Perfectly Imperfect. Glossybox written on the sides. I'm really curious to see what's inside this one because I didn't know it was going to be a specialty box. And usually when they have a specialty box, the box is different than their classic pink. So I'm super excited to see what is inside this one. Are you guys ready? So Glossybox is gonna run you typically around the $21 range per month, which is very, very affordable for a beauty box. If you are interested in this box and you wanna check it out for yourself, I will have a promo code that you can use to get your box for just $16. Stay tuned for that. For now, we're gonna go ahead and give this box an unboxing and then we're going to give it a rating when we are done. So stick around for the end of this video and help me rate this box. Let's go ahead and unbox Glossybox. All right, so let's lift off the lid. All right, so here's what it looks like inside. Tied up with a cute little bow. And on the top, they have their little brochure that includes all of the items that are inside the box along with their prices. What I love about this particular brochure that they include is that they have tips on how to use each product. I love that. Simply because I am not a beauty expert by any means. I know there are so many content creators out there that are so amazing at creating beauty looks and know so much about beauty products. That's not me. That's not me at all. But I do like receiving beauty products to use and try and experiment with. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. It's called Perfectly Imperfect. Hey Glossies, at Glossy HQ, we love trying out the newest must-have cosmetics and experimenting with trendy techniques. But our aim is always to help every Glossy feel as happy and confident as possible with or without their beauty bag to hand. Forget perfect, forget beauty ideals. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace every little bit of yourselves. From the parts you adore to the imperfections you may not always feel so thrilled about, this month's curation is here to help. Stay glossy, your Glossybox team. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's included in this box. You guys ready? Oh, they're cute. Look at that. It has like a little mirror type lid. It says, "You are beautiful." And it has like different languages as well. Isn't that cute? Here's what it looks like. Self-love. For every rainy day, there is a rainbow. Looks like a bunch of fun little stickers. Inside is some orange paper and their glossy sticker. Wrapped beautifully. And there inside, we have our products. Hallelujah. Let's go ahead and take a look at each item. We've got a Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. This is a full-size item, daily body scrubber. It retails for $10. Show yourself some extra TLC every time you shower. This body scrubber is made from soft, natural organic cotton with a soy-based center to create a rich lather when partnered with your favorite body wash. Gentle exfoliation is a great way to wake up and boost your circulation. Inside you can see it has a little string hangy thingamabobber that you can use to hang it up in the shower if you want. Next up we have ELEMIS. I'm very familiar with this brand, ELEMIS. This is a Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. I feel like I've gotten this in a box before. I'm not sure if it was Glossybox. Anyways, it is $18 it retails for. Part of the cult favorite Pro-Collagen range, this luxurious gel cleanser effectively removes daily grime, makeup, and impurities while leaving skin with a youthful glow. There's succinic acid, lactic acid, and ferulic acid inside to help gently exfoliate and moisturize your complexion. So that is this, a deluxe size, $18. The next item is Invisidry Shampoo. This is by Nila. This is a full-size product, $22. Meet your new hero dry shampoo. This ultra lightweight formula is practically invisible in your hair, yet easily absorbs oils, leaving you with that just wash feeling. As an added bonus, the Color Guard complex also helps protect your hair from UV radiation, preserving your color for longer. I love trying new dry shampoos for sure. And this one has a very minimal hold to it. So super excited to try that. Never heard of this brand, so it will definitely be a lot of fun to try it. And $22. Okay, we have two more items. Next item is Aceology Rose Petal Mask. So this is a deluxe mini from the face mask specialist at Aceology. This hydrating multi-use rose petal mask is perfect for your next self-care day. The rose water rich formula helps to plump skin while soothing redness or irritation. Plus the silky lightweight gel also works wonderfully as a moisturizing sleeping mask. $19 for this one. You guys know what I'm gonna say, right? Probably won't be using this one simply because it smells a lot like rose. Not a big fan of the rose scent. Definitely will probably use this as a giveaway or as a gift for somebody. I love trying new masks. I just can't tolerate that rose smell. I don't know, just me. Finally, the last item is BFF Brow Friends Forever. Whether you're going glam or a no makeup look, we can all feel a little more confident with well-groomed brows. This small yet mite gel is completely clear, making it suitable for all hair colors, and the super strong hold lets you style your brows however you want, and you'll know they're going to stay put, as seen on TikTok. So this is the BFF Brow Mascara Grow and Groom Brow Gel. $8.99 for this, and it's from the Beauty Crop. I need some help with my brows, but I'm not sure about this. This is like some brow gel, and it has a little wand here. BFF. We'll try it. Definitely give it a try. All right, you guys, so that concludes the unboxing of the Perfectly Imperfect themed box from Glossybox. Let's do a quick review and then we will go ahead and rate this box. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, quick review. So we've got the Aceology Rose Petal Mask. We got the BFF Brow Friends Forever Gel. We've got the Invisidry Shampoo, the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber, and the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So all of those items, you guys, for $21 a month. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and rate this box. You ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, you guys. So when we rate the box, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. We rate based on a few different factors, including, but not limited to, the presentation of the box, the variety of the items in the box, the quality of the items in the box, the price point of the items of the box compared to the price of the actual subscription box, And all of those factors kind of contribute in how we do their rating, how we compile the rating. And this is all personal opinion, guys. You might love all of these products, you might not. So let's go ahead and rate the box. You guys ready? Let's hit that drum roll, please. Glossybox May edition. You are going to get a rating of a 6. You got a 6. You got a 6. You got a 6. I love the packaging of this box. They always usually do a very excellent job of presenting the box, packaging it. I love the brochure that they include. Always so helpful. Look at that. I mean, they have a nice description of each product and how to use each product along with their retail prices, their websites where you can look and check out the brand for yourself. The only thing about this particular box is, yes, they are very good products. The only thing is, I feel like the ELEMIS is a repeat item, and the Daily Concepts body scrubber, I feel like I've gotten this somewhere else too, so I'm not so sure. I mean, I probably will use it, but I would like to see something different. The dry shampoo, I definitely will use and give that a try. This, not so much. And I don't know. I know I need help with my brows, but I don't know that the gel is the answer at this moment. So I would say at least 2 of the 5 items I will make use of, maybe. The value of the items was very high. However, for me personally to use these items, so-so. What do you guys think? What would you rate this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That concludes today's unboxing. What did you guys think? Like the video, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next one.